Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Samatha Learn and Grow. In this video, we are going to do addition and subtraction by using big friends formula. Plus 6 is equal to minus 4 plus 10 plus 60 is equal to minus 40 plus 100. Okay, before going into the video, please subscribe my channel for more updates. Then the subject will be very easy for you to understand. Okay, let us start the sums. First one, 45 plus 61 plus 12 minus 15. 45 plus 61. In the tens place rod, 60 is not available for us to add. So what you have to do, you have to take big friends formula plus 60. Plus 60 is equal to what? Minus 40, add 100. Next, 1 in the ones place rod, it is available, so I have added directly. Next, plus 12. 12 is also available, so I have added directly. Next, minus 15. Minus 15. So what is the answer now? 103. 103. Clear the scale. Second sum, 39 minus 25 plus 56 minus 10. 39 minus 25 plus 56. In the just a second. Yeah, I repeat again the second one. 39 minus 25 plus 56 minus 10. 39 minus 25 plus 56, but in the ones place rod 6 is not available for us. So what you have to do, you have to take plus 6 big friends formula. What is that? Minus 4 add 10. Next, minus 10. What is the answer now? 60. Clear the scale. Third one, 57 minus 51 plus 33 plus 56. 57 minus 51 plus 33 plus 56. In the ones place rod, 6 is not available for us. What you have to do, you have to take plus 6 big friends formula. What is that? Minus 4 add 10. What is the answer now? 95. Clear the scale. Fourth one, 63 plus 35 plus 60 minus 52. 63 plus 35 plus 60. Here in the tens place rod, 60 is not available for us to add. So what you have to do, you have to take big friends formula plus 60. Plus 60 is equal to minus 40, add 100. Next, minus 52. Minus 52. What is the answer? 106. 106. Next, fifth one, 79 minus 25 plus 36 minus 30. 79 minus 25 plus 36. In the ones place rod, 6 is not available for us to add. So what you have to do, you have to take big friends formula. Plus 6 is equal to minus 4 plus 10. Minus 4 plus 10. Next, minus 30. What is the answer? 60. 60. Next, clear the scale. Sixth one, 97 plus 62 minus 53 plus 21. 97 plus 62 means in the tens place rod, 60 is not available for us. So what you have to do, you have to take big friends formula. Minus 40 add 100. Next, 2 in the ones place rod, I have added directly. Next, 53 minus 53 plus 21. What is the answer now? 127. 127. Next, 44 plus 66 plus 25 minus 30. 44 plus 66. Plus 66 in the tens place rod also we can't add, and in the ones place rod also 6 I can't add. So what I should do, I should take plus 60 and plus 6 big friends formula at a time. Minus 40 add 100 plus 6 is equal to minus 4 add 10. Next, plus 25. I can add directly because the beads are available for me to add. Next, minus 30. Minus 30 I have done. So what is the answer now? 105. 105. Clear the scale. 32 plus 52 minus 70 plus 56. 32 plus 52 minus 70 plus 56. In the ones place rod, 6 is not available for me. So what I should do? I should take big friend's formula. Plus 6 is equal to minus 4 add 10. Minus 4 add 10. What is the answer now? 7070. Clear the scale. Next, 42 plus 65 plus 51 minus 50. 42 plus 60 is not available for me in the tens place rod. So what I should do? I should take plus 60 big friend's formula. What is that? Minus 40 add 100. Next, 5 in the ones place rod. Next, 51. Next, minus 50. What is the answer? 108. Got it, friends? Yes, done with the sums of plus 60 and plus 6 big friends formula. In the next video, we are going to see plus 7 and plus 70 big friends formula sums. Okay? Bye, friends. Take care.